Hey everyone! If you live in New York City, there's a new app that can help you file noise complaints and track them on a map. It's called Right Avenues, and you can download it from Apple's App Store. It's so new that while I'm making this video, not all the features have been activated yet. But this is a quick demo of how to use it.
You click report noise, it automatically find your location. You can just change the location for the noise spot and confirm. And right now I'm working on other noise type, working hard to edit. So for the construction noise, just tap the construction noise and see it's whether it's a jackhammer or construction equipment, and whether it's a noise from street or it's from the building construction. And then how long does it last? So we select how many hours, and then we have to put the details of the noise in order to file the noise to 311. And then once you confirm, it goes to the 311 system.
Wow, that's great. Do you get a confirmation?
Yes.
Okay.
Click the confirm button, but it's a test, so I don't want to file the noise right now. But
Right. Absolutely. That's not, yeah.
made it really, I try to make it really easy, because in order
Mhm.
to file the construction noise, we have to go to the website and we have to type all the details, like when did it start, when did it end. But I made it like how long does it last, so it automatically calculate the start time and ending time.
Do you have, so you have construction noise, you have like automotive noise, I think you do, or traffic noise. That was one of the options. You have helicopter or aircraft noise in general, right? Is another one. So,
Yes.
so people experiencing, I know already there are people who are going directly to 311 with noise complaints about the helicopters, the tourist helicopters. This is great. I'm also wondering if, are you able to scale this at all beyond like New York City?
That's my goal, because noise is not just New York City problem. It's a like problem with where they're densely populated area, like
Yeah.
Paris, London. So that would be my next step. But I
Mm-hmm.
have to make it like service that all the New Yorkers knows and use. To,
Yes. And that's the thing, is I think a lot of people don't know about it yet.
yeah, I just released like 3 weeks ago.
Okay. Wow.
Very
Congratulations.
early stage. The reason I started is like technology verbs, and people, citizens are not just a recipient of the data, but they become a provider, right? So
Mm-hmm.
they see the data having a benefit from the data other people are providing, and people are also providing the data to be useful for others. But for noise, people submit the complaints and it becomes a data, but the ordinary people don't have a chance to see their data. But right now there is open data. Anyone can just go to the website and download the noise complaint data, but not every people like make use of the data and visualizing it on the map to see the noise pattern. When people submit the noise data directly on my map, I want to make it possible to see their own data on my map, because
Okay.
it gets mixed.
I see. Okay. So in other words, what we're looking at here is noise data submitted through your app, but filtering out noise data
Mhm.
gone directly to 311 outside your app. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Okay. How would someone find the noise data not through your app? I mean, ideally, more people would just use your app and
Also, like when you use this here, I made it possible to see the data by changing the date range. So here, right now, I'm looking all the data for the last 12 months, 1 year.
Mhm. Okay.
Yeah, people can see the last 6 months and the last 1 month, and people can see whether it's night noise or daytime noise. I'm trying to make it available to users, many options to look at the data with different perspectives, like whether there's a noise during the nighttime, whether there's a noise during the last 12 months or 6 months using all the functions that people can select by themselves.
It is available for Android and for iPhone, correct?
Right now, it's only for
Oh,
iPhone.
it's just for iPhone. Okay.
It will be available for Android very soon.
Okay. I hope you found this demo helpful. Go ahead and download this free app and try it yourself. More data will make it more useful, and more users will help this app to expand to other cities. Thanks for watching, and for more information about noise and acoustics, visit soundproofist.com.